Hello everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima. Welcome to LiveLaw. Recently, the Supreme Court published a handbook in which certain normalized notions about women were negated, and instead those stereotypes were replaced by how those notions should actually be perceived. Associating labels with women has always been easy, and somehow these labels have solidified to an extent that they've almost gained inseparable recognition in people. We all have been in situations where the behavior or character of a woman is defined based on the kind of clothes she wears. A woman who wears Western clothes is very often seen as a woman of loose character. Or let's take an example of a woman who smokes or consumes alcohol. Even this is associated with her sexuality. It might be perceived as an act where a woman looks bold enough for people to assume that she's willing to engage in sexual relationships. There are many other ideas which are attributed to women based on their physical strength, emotional state, and other such things. Let's go through some in the video. The handbook aims at recognizing the stereotypes and speaks about what the reality actually suggests. Let's speak of the idea women are more passive. This term is often attached to a woman's nature. However, the handbook suggests that this be replaced by the ideology that people display a wide range of personality traits. Both men and women can be passive, and women are not more passive than men as a rule. Speaking of a woman's decisive power before she's married, it is somehow noticeable enough that women are considered to lack the decisive or the decision-making power when they're unmarried, relying upon the lack of experience or exposure to hardships. But the handbook suggests that marriage has no bearing on a person's ability to take decisions. It says that the law defines specific ages for a person to consent to certain activities, which include marriage or consuming alcohol, etc. And all individuals of this age or above are deemed to be capable of taking such decisions regardless of whether they're married or not. In the same way, another thing that is attributed to a woman's personality is kindness or compassion. You might have seen how kindness is seen as an element which women possess more. However, the handbook suggests that compassion is an acquired characteristic that is unique to every individual. People, irrespective of their gender, can be kind and compassionate. Moreover, the usage of the sentence that all women are physically weaker than men has also been looked into, and it has been suggested in the handbook that while men and women are physiologically different, it is not true that all women are weaker than all men. It states that a person's strength does not solely depend upon their gender, but also on other factors like profession, genetics, nutrition, and physical activity. These were some of the stereotypes which are normalized, and their substituted or alternative usage has been suggested in the handbook. Can you share some stereotypes that you've heard? If you remember any, do share in the comment section. And if you can also suggest what changes should be brought about, feel free to share in the comments. That's all for today. We hope you like our content. If you do, please like and share our videos. Also subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.